All right, so the hardest level for number 15 is this level where you have to make a sprite move around in response to keyboard input. So the instruction is to add 4 separate conditional statements that make the Wingbot move in every direction. So this is kind of similar to the tutorial I already posted, but the first thing is to move left when the left arrow is pressed. So when the left arrow is pressed is the same thing as if the key pressed is left, do this, right? So when the left arrow is pressed, if key down left, same thing. And then you're going to want to move it left. So if you remember, X is left and right, Y is up and down. So we're going to start with a sprite.x, our sprite's called flyer, is equal to, and we'll use the counter pattern, flyer.x. And since we're going left, the further left we go, the lower x is. So we're actually going to minus from the flyer.x. And what we have here is a sprite that now moves left. Now, once you figure out the first one, the next one should be fairly simple. But again, it's just going to be another if. And instead of the left key, it's going to be the right key. And then instead of minusing from flyer.x, like we did before, it's going to be plus. And I use 3 as a random number, but you could use any number. So let's try that. We can now go right and left. Now for up and down, it is also going to be very much the same thing. You just have to change the key to up. And then if you are moving up and down, it is the Y. And the higher Y is, the lower the sprite is. So if we're going up, you're actually minusing Y. So I'm going to do flybot.y is equal to flybot.y. And then I'm going to do, since we're going up, -3. Let's have a look. Made a mistake. Oh, it's not flybot, sorry, it's flyer. And that's why you should be careful with variable names. All right, flyer, awesome. And then to do the down one, it's going to be the exact same thing, except you're doing the opposite. And the opposite in this case is going to be flyer.y is equal to flyer.y +3. And that is how you solve this final level.